So you want to learn how to make money on Twitter with DoorDash promo codes. This is the perfect video for you. It's going to be quick, easy, and get you to making money on Twitter in less than a few minutes.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. God, that's what I'm talking about.
What makes me qualified to teach this? Not only have I done over $3,000, I've done over $2,000 for other people. I've also got a couple subscribers that have done it as well. One is Desi Jade. She actually made a video on it. She did over $1,100 proof. I go by P. Smith, and this is graduated money where if I can't bag it, it ain't for me. Teach how to make money while you sleep, how to fire your boss, and how to get the internet to work for you. Let's graduate that bag. Alright, so we going into Twitter, okay? Let me just show you one of the tweets that I did recently, alright? This tweet blew up, alright? So right here, as you can see, this is a random person, okay? Real Trap Zeus. I don't know who this is. They got 655 followers. You do not have to have followers for this, by the way. I wasn't even looking to promote a link. I was just scrolling, and this video popped up. Like most videos do, I'm like, let me watch it. It's a video of these two people fighting. So I watch it. OG knocks out young boy. I'm like, oh shoot, I got an idea. I'm gonna take screenshots of the moments of impact and then make a joke out of it. So as you can see, this is some free game right here, so you could try this on your own. So I took 4 screenshots and I commentated on them. I said block 1, block 2, counter overhand right, victory lap. Rest in peace, Nipsey Hussle.
You a celebrity, ain't you?
Hey, bud.
Ain't you trying to do something?
Hey, bud. What's up, bud?
And then I said, since I know y'all like free, here's some free money to use on your first DoorDash order. I put in a bit.ly link that has my promo code from my DoorDash account. And I said, thank me later. That was it, right? As you can see, I have a graduated money Twitter. So for extra engagement, I went ahead and I commented on it. Extra engagement only helps. But you can see I have 32 retweets. I have 310 likes. And if we go to the view tweet activity, you can see that this tweet, come on, internet, 73,766 total impressions.
Say it again, Dexter.
73,766. That means 73,000 people saw my tweet. Out of that 73,000, had 17,000 actually interact with my tweet. They clicked to enlarge it, something like that. And then out of all those people, 880 people actually clicked on the link. All right, I'm not a mathematician, but that's about 1%, right? 883 divided by 73, 76, 1%. Whoo, I'm kind of nice. 1% of people actually click through to my link. Now, I know that 25 people actually signed up from that 800, right? So 25 divided by 833. So 3% of people actually signed up from the 1%. And 5 people actually bought food. So 5 times $20, which is the referral credit that you get, $100 off of one tweet, and 16 remaining people times 20. So an extra $320 waiting to come in for those people to order off of one tweet. It's $420 minimum. The tweet's still getting likes, still getting reshared, still getting clicks. That number's only going to go up, and it only goes up the more tweets you have. So that process of finding the tweet, I just wanted to give you some free game real quick. Soak it up. If you watch these type of videos and you don't take notes, you don't want to be successful, man. All right, so we on the homepage. First of all, you got to follow some people. Some people don't like following people. They like to keep ratios low. In order to do this, you need to follow people so that way it's easier for you to find the tweets. As you can see, I follow 900 people. So I get free content all day. That's why I'm successful with it. So follow a lot of people. Doesn't matter who. Just follow people that are tweeting a lot, engaging. So I start on my homepage. Let me refresh it. I start on my homepage. And I just start scrolling. And what I'm looking for, what the hell? Whoa. I'm looking for tweets that have a lot of engagement on them. I'm looking for tweets that have a lot of likes and a lot of retweets. Boom, right here. Look at that. Popped up, right? Now, it does not matter what the tweet is about. These are the criteria I make sure. As you can see, as we're on this page, you see the likes going up in real time. You see the retweets going up. That is what you're looking for. But the bad thing about this tweet is that even though it was only 4 hours ago, it has 900 comments in the section. A new tweet under that thread is not going to get a lot of traction. That's too many comments. So we keep scrolling. We look for the next one. Check my header. Okay, these is popular. I know people been... So this, I would actually comment on this. Anything under 100 comments, I'm going to comment on. So check my header. God, okay, dope. All right, people like that. But in this, I would comment on this and I would say something like, God wants you to eat for God wants you to eat for free.
So he sent me to give you free money in the form of a DoorDash promo code, your first order. And then I'm gonna put some food emojis.
Go find my bit.ly link. And if you don't understand what I'm doing right now, go watch my other videos because I go through this process step by step and I teach you. I'm going to link it up here. You can click that, or you can wait to the end of the video and click it down in the description. I go through this process 10 steps, step by step. So this is advanced video. So once you put the videos together, you'll be able to really go ham with this. So I'm gonna find one of the DoorDash links. As you can see, I get hella clicks on my links. It was crazy. It's my top performing link. Here, I'm gonna get this one. So this is a promo code that I use for my mom, so my mom can get free food. And by the way, I got hundreds of dollars of free promo codes down in my description. Leave a comment if you want me to put together a web page that you can just go through. I could get like 50 to 100 different promo codes and put them all on a web page. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in, and I'll put that together pretty soon.
Thank God.
Boom, I put the link in there and I'm gonna say thank me later. And I'm gonna put the little bag money. And then I'll put a little filet mignon. God wants you to eat for free, so he sent me to give you free money in the form of a DoorDash promo code for your first order. Boom, thank me later. That's it, right? And so for some engagement, I'm gonna actually like the tweet myself, and that's it. That's really as simple. Now I'm gonna scroll through and show you a couple more examples so that way you start to get the feel of what I'm doing. So we scroll down. I'm not gonna comment on that just because that's the homegirl. Boom, right here. I already know, look, I already know before I even get to see how many likes and retweets it has, I'm already knowing that it's going to be a viral tweet because I know I don't follow this person. And the way you can tell that is if you can see this top of the title, it says the little heart and it says Moo and 5 other liked. Whenever it shows that, it means Twitter is showing it to you because other people that you follow have interacted with it. So this person is showing up in your feed because it's saying, hey, these are people that you follow. You probably like what they post about, so you would probably like this. So Twitter is giving you every tweet that's going viral on its own. And as I scroll, you'll see that it keeps happening. So I know it's a viral tweet before I even look at it. So I scroll down and it's a viral tweet. Anything that got thousands and thousands is on its way to going viral. As you can see, it has 600,000 views. It's gonna go to 1 million. I'm not gonna comment on it though because it's too late. It was posted a day ago. Has over 800 replies already. You're not gonna get no traction in there. Boom, look, right underneath it, another one. It says heart Lunga Kagi liked. Anytime they show you that, that means that you don't follow them and they're showing it to you because it's a popular tweet that's on the rise. 1,600 replies. No way we're replying to that. Scroll down. Keep going. Keep going. You got to follow a lot of people. That's what I'm saying. So when I'm scrolling, I'm looking for that little heart text. Dang, I'm not seeing nothing. And sometimes it's like that. Sometimes you don't see nothing for a minute. And then sometimes you get blessed, you know? See? Boom, another one. Before I even scroll bottom. Right there. I see the heart. I see that little text right there. I know that I don't follow them. I know it's a viral tweet. 152. I might gamble and just throw a link in there. You never know. You know what I mean? But from my experience, when you do 100 replies or less, if you can get 50 or less and it's a brand new tweet, you're winning all day with that. The point is to get your tweet at the top of the thread. So when people see the tweet and then they scroll, your goal is to be one of those first tweets. The earlier you are in the thread, the more likely people are going to see it. As the tweet gets more popular, the more they're going to interact with it. The higher you go up in the thread, the more people click your link, the more people sign up, the more money in your pocket. Here's one. I'm not going to do it right now because... So I put my phone down. I'm not going to comment on that one. And the reason why is because Twitter has a policy that you cannot spam. So you don't want your Twitter account to get shut down from spamming links all the time. So I'm very meticulous on how often I tweet. I might send 5 to 10 on the max per day. But I try to separate them and do them like every 3 days. If I'm trying to be super proactive about it, I'll give it 3-day breaks and then I'll tweet regular stuff in between to make it look like I have an active account, which I do on the most part. But yeah, you want to be mindful. This is not a spamming type of thing. It's a meticulous marketing way to get your DoorDash credits, period. Now some people say, well, it's not real money. If it can buy you something, it's real money. It's currency, right? Can you cash it out in your bank account and go buy an iPad? There's ways. Creative, there's ways. So I hope you got some value from that. Everybody can win, you know? That's the whole thing. Everybody eats, B. You know, I'm about to get those shirts made. So if you want one of them Everybody Eats graduated money shirts, let me know. Time to get to that bag. And if you have success, please tell me. I love to hear the stories of people getting free money. Food is one of the most expensive things on a yearly budget for everybody. You don't realize how much you spending on food until you add it up. And I haven't spent money on food out of my own pocket since February by using this DoorDash method, and it saved me thousands of dollars. You know what I mean? So appreciate you guys watching. If you're new and you made it through this, please hit the subscribe button. I understand a lot of people don't interact on YouTube a lot, but subscribing helps grow the channel. It helps me understand what kind of content people like to watch, and then I create from there. Appreciate everybody that's been rocking so far. We going up 3 videos a week. I'm gonna continue the pace. Thank you again. This is Graduated Money. Let's go graduate it bad.